up, guys? My name is Alex the Gamer, and today, if you're a SuperCard shenanigan person, I don't know, person who plays SuperCard and wants to know the cards and their stats, well, you've come to the right place. Because today we're going to go over some cards. This video, we're going to be going over the SummerSlam cards. Next video is going to be the Hardened. Next is going to be Elite. Next is going to be freaking Ultimate. I've only gotten one SummerSlam card, and it's New Day Rocks. New Day Rocks. Yes, it is. It's Big E. Big E Langston. Well, I don't know if he's called Big E Langston anymore, but first on the list, Aiden English. He's SummerSlam. Of course. Power is 1,778. Toughness is 1,858. Speed is 1,831. Charisma is 1,805. I believe this is the first Aiden English we've gotten in the whole of SuperCard. Next card up is They Don't Want None. They Don't Want None. Phenomenal 1, AJ Styles. Power is 1,944. Toughness is 1,851. Speed 1,971. Charisma, and this is the last one, 1,891. This card I want so freaking bad so I can see the animation for the phenomenal forearm. Sorry if I keep doing that. I'm making my plate of mac and cheese. My bad. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Okay. Sitting down. Alright. Phenomenal forearm. AJ Styles. 144 tough power. Oh, screw it. Next one is AJ Styles, but this one is No Mercy. Power 2,157, toughness 2,062, speed is 2,184, and charisma is 2,103. That looks like a good AJ Styles if you ask me. Next card, Alberto Del Rio. Power 1,921, toughness 1,802. Speed 1,895, 1,841 for charisma. Crossout breaker. Alexa Bliss, one of the hottest WWE diva other than Bayley. Bottom almost left. Power 1,765, toughness 1,711, speed. Why did I say speedness? My freaking bad. Speed 1,791, charisma 1,738, and the finisher is Sparkle Bliss, Sparkle Splash. My bad. Next one is not a Fusion, not a WrestleMania, but it's a SummerSlam. And it's also a throwback. Power 1,993. Speed 1,860. Toughness 1,953. Charisma 1,886. Thunder elbow hook suplex. Next one is Apollo Cruz. Power 1,871. Now, hold on, guys. I'm starting to get a little lightheaded. There we go. Turned on the light. Power 1,871. Toughness 1,805. Speed 1,845. Charisma 1,752. And his finisher is the standing moonsault. Come on, Netflix. Alright, next card. Asuka, the person who feels like she needs to be playing peekaboo. Spinning heel kick. Power 1,830. Toughness 1,803. Speedness 1. You know what? I'm just gonna go by the card. You guys can just read them. I'll take some time. Next up is Asuka. You guys can pause it. Spinning heel kick. That's a fusion. Baron Corbin. Bayley. One of the hottest WWE divas, other than Nikki Bella. Becky Lynch, the last kicker. I'm saying L-A-S-S, not A-S-S. Don't take that out of context. Big Cass, and you can't teach that. Bada boom. Favorite tag team. Next up, we got Big E. My first SummerSlam. Got him on the daily rewards. Big E again, but this one is a fusion. Everywhere. Big ending. Bo Dallas, Bo Leave, Bo Dog. Braun Strowman. Bray Wyatt. Brock Lesnar. Oh yeah, that Braun Strowman was an event card. Learned that on YouTube. F5, Brock Lesnar. I think this is a Money in the Bank reward. Or Money in the Bank rewards. Or an event card. Carmella. Cheese dating. Any man with two hands has a fighting chance. James Ellsworth. Tell me in the comment section what you think about Ellsworth. Cesaro Neutralizer. Cesaro again. I think this is an event card as well. Charlotte picking at her hair. Charlotte again. Event card as well. Chris Jericho. Now this one is a Money in the Bank rewards because I looked on this site. The site I am on is it's called the SmackDown Hotel. I have champions. This one is an event card. Dana Brooke. My favorite wrestler, Dean Ambrose. Dean Ambrose. Lunatic Friends Dirty Deeds. I really do need to change the animation for Dirty Deeds. Dolph Ziggler. And I actually, it's kind of in the middle. I actually like the heel Ziggler. They needed him for that, but he needs to be a champion. Dolph Ziggler, WWE No Mercy. This one is definitely a Money in the Bank. Next card. Emma. SummerSlam. Enzo Amore. My name is Enzo Amore. And I'm a certified G, and you can't teach that. Finn Balor. My first Survivor was a Finn Balor, actually. Next card. Finn Balor. Wait. Finn Balor. This is an event card. 1916. I thought it was the coup de grace. John Cena. I swear, at SummerSlam, Cena has a loss record. He's lost every match at SummerSlam. John Cena event card. Listo. Carl Anderson. Fight Owens, fight, fight Owens, fight. Event card, prize fighter, KO. Kevin Owens, Universal Champion. Kofi Kingston. This one is pretty funny. Local freaking talent. -10 to toughness. This is freaking cool. I would have laughed if this was my first freaking Survivor card. My first SummerSlam card. I would have been like, what the heck is this? Yeah. Next card. Luke Gallows. Mark Henry, SummerSlam. This one is a throwback as well as Andre the Giant. Natalia. Nia Jax. One of the most hot divas as well as Alexa Bliss and Bayley. Randy Orton. What do you guys think about the Orton not going to WrestleMania to try and be the champion? I don't like it. Money in the Bank card. Money in the Bank. Roman Ramen Noodle Reigns. Okay. Rusev Machka. Sami Zayn. Sami Zayn again, but this time he's a fusion card. Sami Zayn, Clash of Champions. What the heck happened to Night of Champions? Samoa Joe. Because we all know that we want Samoa. Samoa Joe. Samoa Joe. Samoa Joe. Fusion. Sasha Money in the Banks. I'm just kidding. Sasha Banks. Oh. As well as one of the most hottest divas. Sasha Banks again. Great picture. That is an event card. Seth frickin' Rollins. Pedigree. Shawn Michaels. SummerSlam throwback. Sheamus. One of the great pictures, I would say. Sheamus event card. Shinsuke Nakamura. There's Shinsuke Nakamura again. He is a fusion. Simon Gotch. The Vaudevillains. As well as Aiden English. Stone Cold Steve Austin. SummerSlam Sting throwback. The Miz, SummerSlam. The Rock. I want this Rock so freaking bad. People's elbow. Triple H SummerSlam throwback. Tyler Breeze, beauty shot. Ultimate Warrior, SummerSlam throwback. Undertaker, Tombstone. Xavier Woods, on a roll. finally, Zack Ryder. That was the SummerSlam pack. That was the SummerSlam tier.
7 cards later and you're still $4 short. I'll be right there.
Thank you guys so much for watching this. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and if we get enough comments, you're going to be added to the list. Just kidding. Please leave a comment, subscribe for more. Next video will be the Hardened. And after I do Ultimate, I will go back and do the rest. Just kidding. WrestleMania will be the last one I'll do. So, hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys have a great course day. I'll see all you dudes in the next video.